In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode in Google Sheets. As you can see, my browser's theme is already in the dark side, and I want to enable dark mode on this sheet as well. Although you can't enable dark mode in the app itself, you can add an extension, and that's what we're going to do. We're going to go to this menu here on the right side and click on Settings. It'll lead you to another tab. Go to the left bottom and the extensions. Click on that. Another tab is opened. We're going to go to Chrome Web Store. Click on that. And here we have this Chrome Web Store. You're going to be searching for Dark Mode Night Eye. Type that and enter. Let's wait for it to load. And that's the first one. Just click on Dark Mode Night Eye. And we have here the extension that will enable dark mode on any website that you open. So we're going to add it to Chrome. It's going to ask you permission if you can add it. It can read and change all your data on all websites. So we're going to do that. Add extension. It's checking right here. And it has been downloaded. And there you go. It's going to open another app of the extension that you've just added. You can just close that. And if we go back to our spreadsheet and click on refresh, we have enabled dark mode in Google Sheets. So the background will be black, but the text will be white so you can still read it. And that's how to enable dark mode in Google Sheets with an extension. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.